Can I actually avoid financial disasters in my life? I'm going to try and find out. We all know that the current economic climate can be unpredictable and scary. With financial uncertainty lurking around every corner, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure of how to protect ourselves. That's why I want to help you identify and avoid common financial pitfalls that could lead to disaster. Many of us are overlooking or making significant financial mistakes that can have a negative impact on our lives. One major threat is not having an emergency fund in place. This fund acts as a safety net for unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills, and can prevent you from going into debt. Another threat is not paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, which can quickly spiral out of control. A third threat is not saving for retirement, which can leave you with financial insecurity in your golden years. These financial mistakes can have severe consequences. For example, not having an emergency fund can lead to a vicious cycle of debt, where you're forced to take on high-interest loans or credit cards to cover unexpected expenses. Not paying off high-interest debt can lead to a significant decrease in your credit score, making it harder to get loans or credit in the future. And not saving for retirement can lead to financial stress and uncertainty in your later years. To mitigate these financial disasters, there are specific steps you can take. For example, you can start building an emergency fund by setting aside a small amount each month. You can also prioritize paying off high-interest debt by focusing on the highest interest debt first and making more than the minimum payment. Additionally, you can start saving for retirement by taking advantage of employer-matched retirement accounts or setting up an automatic transfer from your paycheck. When it comes to financial safety, my most crucial piece of advice is to live below your means. This means being mindful of your spending habits and making sure you're not overspending. It's also essential to have a long-term perspective and not get caught up in get-rich-quick schemes. By being patient and disciplined with your finances, you can avoid financial disasters and achieve financial stability. The main financial dangers we've discussed are not having an emergency fund, not paying off high-interest debt, and not saving for retirement. To secure your financial future, it's essential to take action and prioritize these areas. By doing so, you can avoid financial stress and uncertainty. If you've had a financial scare or have a tip to share, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And if you want more financial advice and tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel.